Concussion rice loading. Our chef is in the kitchen today. Yo, come go down the give them a lot of tap as DJ Cindy. Which I was also got for that day. Eh? As the report tap. This is the next day. Good morning, guys. I told you guys yesterday I was so tired. After cooking the mama and preparing it, packing it, I slept on. This is after 12. My husband saw that I gotta make Kuliti the bed down. The way I was so tired, you have to wake up and come and start washing everything and start making food, because this girl here is not going to wake up. But I'm awake now, and my man is already making something for us, making his favorite now. Okay, many you're like, come on, you like, I like Kwabiao, but what you call like, he's making concussion rice. So that is it.
I didn't know yet. You know it's concussion, you don't have to make it.
You don't have to make it good. Even you can even pay a buy, don't be really heat it up. Oh, you gave it. You pay miracle, baby. Needs to such as go do me everything, my pots, because I not even wash the pot same. He did everything himself.
So I add some red oil from one AC.
Oh yeah, my gonna. You ain't got to get that in the city.
Allow me to.
I will use my water finish
oil so that the color will be so inviting, you know.
Eh, call you where go. Every day be color inviting.
It can still happen resistance. At this point, sir, the aroma in this kitchen without adding anything. So,
what do you want to add?
I'll add my.
You even slice tomato and onion.
Yes, I'll add my onion.
How do you create?
I'll add my onion. Then add my tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Then. Then get my spices. You know I don't add too many.
You don't add what?
I don't add too much spices.
Kind of spices you can add.
I will add curry.
He's the one that said I should vlog him. If not, me, I'm tired. I'll just stay. The other day that he made stew, I did not even vlog.
You add some curry. Add small so that it will taste. Yeah.
What else are you going to add?
Since you use this one, I'll just use both of them. They are just very small. But you add it. Guys, don't put the whole sachet of this because we are cooking. It's going to be too. Even this one self is still remain. You can use all of them. So you add.
For you chicken.
For you chicken. Though we are not using chicken. We are using fish.
I have fish seasoning, no.
Yeah, but
no laziness say we been whipped since.
This one is okay.
It's already colorful, safe.
Then you add your salt. You add everything that you needed to add. Then leave it to cook for some time. Then you add your rice. Let
me just keep this camera one. Where is my tripod, baby? I left that tripod in this kitchen before I slept. Can we do it?
I don't know.
When I arrange here.
Let me add some more
jollof spice.
Jollof because it's jollof rice. Just a bit of it.
Wow, you're hype woman.
Voila. We are done. Okay, let me add a cube of Maggi. And
need me whip this Maggi, my Indian doors are this in amputa.
Add a cube, just a cube.
Okay.
Not cube. Don't add too much.
Hey, I shall work. Okay. Akona. Oda we to tani ada so sa ke betro go na ka bagena adapu. Ida de begi we kid the wegi. O bra hala shock oge. Bo bra ada to ge bere. Just hand that you touch this man like this. Come with the hand. Acid. Get the acid for. Why are they selling acid?
Okay, for a
Ay, Jesus. The work on na acid. Only chimney ya bia meto national cake. Have your test na. Come on, no say time.
Yeah, I love the taste of thyme on it. Yeah. Yes, I do add thyme.
Sorry guys, I did not start vlogging this thing on time because I was sleeping. Sorry, you went on.
Then,
but never.
We want to make it local, so we are using dried Cameroon pepper, original one from Nigeria.
Enokwa. Yeah,
we are not using habanero or whatever pepper. We're using our native pepper, African pepper, Cameroon pepper.
Oh, but we go. I can't shift too because I told me go marry. Husband material. How many yards cable now?
1 million yards. At this point, the aroma in this kitchen is taking you to heaven. If you are here, you are just.
My subscribers have missed you cooking for them. Sorry guys, he has been cooking though. He made stew the other day, and the other day he made one egg something, but I did not vlog. Sorry.
Test it, yeah.
Because that time when you want to do it, maybe I will be tired, you know, something like that. I don't want to vlog.
Your taste to sorry.
You see what I'm saying about this Cameroon pepper, but now shift to quail, but still.
You add salt to make it give you a nice taste. You see?
Even if you ofa be able to see ofa aku. You see and chow na.
I go put am chow now. Last now.
Last. Everybody go chop breakfast. Chayo. Baby chelo. In case go last. Everybody will chop breakfast. So you each choice have breakfast.
No breakfast and not serve on the yard.
Good the breakfast though.
Rice now.
Oh, come on, so you guys start coming through for me.
Brunch. You add your rice. You add it. Don't add plenty water because your rice is going to be soft, so soft. So add as little water as possible. Then you have to turn it. Wow, you turn it. In fact, I'm going to use this rice to do MUKBANG today.
You know what? I call this here.
Sorry.
Jesus, the Cameroon pepper. Not very harsh.
Sorry, the salt is okay. Then
what else do you want to add?
Everything
is okay now.
Yes.
I'm not going to edit anything in this way. I'm just going to post it like this.
You cover it, then allow it to cook for some minutes. Oh, sorry. I forgot to add
crayfish. Chef, I need to eat crayfish.
If I'm cooking this rice, I used to be very, very generous with my crayfish because of
crayfish. I got generous. Our crayfish is going to finish. That's what me I'm saying.
See.
Now that we are saying we are managing something, you are doing generous. He may go with my oil, name me with crayfish.
1, 2.
Jesus Christ.
You have to be very, very generous so that when you
eat. No,
2 is okay. That's what I mean by generous.
2 is okay. 2 is too much.
No. I don't want it to be too tasting crayfish. No. You see? See what I'm telling you?
See what
I'm telling you. Ninka self I get here once. As this food baby,
your mother Igeria was. But when we eat this the body that afternoon and night, you see at rice at Google.
Every 1 hour. Yeah.
Every 1 hour. Can you cook it? Yeah, every 1 hour. That's how much he loves palm oil rice. Palm oil rice. You have rice, jollof rice.
But mostly palm oil.
Just give it to him morning, afternoon, and night. He will never complain. He will be the one asking you, you're going to palm oil rice or Google?
Oh, I like it. Whether
Kobe loves rice, but he's jollof. He loves jollof and stew.
Meat or no meat, I will eat it. Fish or no fish, I will eat it very, very well. As long as it tastes nice. So you make sure you wash. Man, watching me. If you cook, you wash yourself.
Before,
don't leave it for your wife.
Who are you leaving it for? That means
once you're in the kitchen, you do it. You do everything, okay? You wash all the stuff you use.
Yes, so. Akagaga bajine. Some to chuma donut to see you. You know go rest.
Tripod, I saw your tripod there when I woke up.
But when I came in here, I told you that I know I left it in this kitchen yesterday. Because here was the last place I vlogged.
Just in this jollof rice. So I wasn't.
Man, go na no bog, ne for ya.
How from here, by one, so it's there in the morning. So just on top of that fridge.
So we have come back to check it.
After how many minutes? 15 minutes. Cook as long as you can.
We need to cook only 15 minutes as if it is shop.
It's just approximately 15 minutes, yeah.
Okay.
You see?
It's looking so nice.
God.
I'm in the parlor and I can't even if I'm a guest, I won't resist this food. I not go say, hey, I don't chop, I not go chop. The smell, the aroma is giving.
You can turn it if you want. Although there are still some water. But it's better you turn it so that everything will be in circulation. Oh gosh.
Nah, baby, you never oh gosh, as if you know any year.
Hey, Chineke, you need never leave for your mind.
He gave me jamon road to her.
You need no morning for you. Check one. Check one.
Can you basically be the have again? Sorry if you can't hear Igbo. I need to speak this one in Igbo.
For YouTuber blog. For YouTuber blog on channel. Hey. So you cover it because we still have some water inside the rice, so we need to let it dry properly, so that when you are eating it, it's gonna be very, 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 very dry and sweet. You know.
You can't wait. You know, try working on much. I be saying. The way my house is scattered since we came back, the way my house is scattered. Nobody should saw me. When they paint here, I beg. The way my house is scattered, guys. So I'm going to show you guys the outcome when he's done making the rice. Now this baby girl's life, me I want to live. Come on, happy day to be a baby. That's okay, so that they see everything themselves. Before I come, baby, it's like I'll be pretending that I'm sick, that I'm tired, so you'll be entering the kitchen.
When you are sick and when you are that's what you were doing last night. I don't know that I know that you are tired. You just wanted to distract me. That was why.
Of why I singing massage well.
Now. I want to stop me from what I was doing.
Before I call, please though, if your wife does not know how to distract you, to attend to her, who else you know? You have to leave whatever you are doing to give me that attention because my tired was tired.
But I did it and continue what I was doing.
Daddy, before God be married, donatus. I will go to my father's house. If you just ignore me and shout to me, I'll carry my bag, they go. You stay alone. And if you come to beg me, I'm not going to agree. You guys should not come for me. The conversation. You choke.
When you say you choke, you man only a wicked person.
He's joking.
We say Nigeria don't get food. They I don't want to Chinek.
Hey.
Who even invented this type of rice? Chinek.
Now our grandma, so that their brain.
Do you know why this rice is so?
It's so what?
It's always. I'm always. I
always give this man a special hug. Before I go say why I not greet them? How will I greet this man?
Because this rice, if you are eating it, you'll be drinking water. Mba.
Chai.
Nkaso ya.
Mwah. What a good deal.
Nkaso good ya.
Can't you speak also?
Should I kill it too?
Yeah, you know it's sweet. Come on, get tired. Stick and that is great.
It is coming. I'm not joking.
But the child will be able to now.
It's in a spiritual tone.
That is not yet. It is sweet. But you see, okay, you will say, "What can I take that was out?" Yeah, I made thumbnail. Yeah, I did too much.
Then thumbnail was it?
Yeah, I did too much. Like I made thumbnail.
How many thumbnail came in start?
Like I made thumbnail. What? Oh, today. Ichibeke give me one.
I make kiss calling YouTube.
My fair by force. Now I've been now. It's on now. It's on now. What I know it's on now. Yes. No problem.
Because I'm the serious.
Nah, Good evening.
Igualmente, my name is Faragoli, J Deep.
Before go away, JJ Deep. Where may JJ Deep? Go over JJ Deep. I get it.
Gratifying you are making a gratifying sound.
I put the other
Sexually gratifying sound.
Oh, Diego. Baby, can we say the big go na gum? Do anything.
When of time will you ever?
It's your mom give me the MUKBANG. So guys, Sammy said we are going to be doing MUKBANG. Expect our interesting, you know already it's going to be a banger. Expect it after this vlog. You're going to see it on this channel, on my channel, anyone on this channel. In fact, because this video is going up today, that is Saturday 17th. Abi, what's today's date, baby?
Today's date. Today's date is
17th of December. Expect this video today. So you're going to be seeing this MUKBANG tomorrow or next. Okay, I'm not holding it today. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you love it. If you do, of course I know you do. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you are yet to subscribe for all juicy and interesting content like this. And yeah, that is it. And comment what you think about this video. What do you think I should do for my husband man? Should I say a bonge or should I buy him a gift? Which one? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you are not up to 18, don't watch this video. Of course, you already watched it. What am I even saying don't watch it? So we are going to say bye and see you in our MUKBANG video. Bye guys. Maybe say bye.
Bye.
Let them see the food. He's choking. Can make chakwa.
Smell is.
See.